One of the questions that people ask is what types of items can be removed. With our processing expertise, we've had great success in removing the following types of items. Public records such as bankruptcies, judgments, and tax liens. We've been able to successfully remove foreclosures, collections, charge-offs, repossessions when your cars get repossessed for not paying the bills. We've been able to get medical bills removed. And a lot of times, medical bills can add up. Inquiries. That's a big problem that we see where people are applying and have a ton of inquiries. A lot of times you will get automatically denied just based on the amount of inquiries that you have. Late payments. We do something that's called a goodwill request to try to get that late payment removed so that it shows that you've been paying on time. Personal information. Now, this is a big thing that people often overlook. Companies often overlook this, but it's very important because these types of reportings can actually pull negative information and put it on your credit report, either from yourself, information that can be merged. Things like old addresses, misspellings of your names, also known as, so when you say, for instance, you have your name is Richard, but on your report it shows Rich. Rich is not your legal name, so that's a problem there. Things like old employers, old phone numbers, incorrect social security numbers. Like I said, information can be pulled and merged with your file, and this can have a negative effect on you. Also, incorrect dates of birth, very, very, very important. And then student loans. So these are the types of items that we've successfully had removed from our clients' reports in the past. We look forward to trying to help make these same types of results with yours.